Thank you.
Pay me, pay me, pay me.
I will pay. I will pay just a few nice words. That's all.
Yes.
Firstly, I always look at the people, human level. So I do not sort of consider importance of their rank or position. I always look human level. So on human level, this person, very nice, humble, I think, very, I think, joyful. And then once become close friend, that friendship never change. Then secondly, this person, funny person. I love that.
You are mischievous.
So I really love, you see, he always teasing me. And also I tease him. Oh, you see, so we really become something quite special.
Yes.
So, and also his face is, you see, the head looks like a monk now. No. You see, this picture, special picture, I think at time of my death, I will remember you.
Thank you.